Hello, I'm in a 1999 Acura TL, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side here, this will be the main reservoir you add coolant to. And if it gets really low, you can also add directly to the radiator here. But typically you just add to your side reservoir here. So while the vehicle's off and cooled off, make sure you've got the right type of coolant for your vehicle. You can also check to see it's the same color. And you don't want to do any of this while the vehicle's hot, just since this system works under pressure and sometimes this liquid can get to a boil. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. But that said, on the side there's a max line and a minimum, so you don't want it full all the way to the top. But to add, you just unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're on that max line. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then if you have to get into this radiator one, you just push down slightly and twist about twice. It'll pop right off, and you'll see coolant just right there on the top. And when you're done with that, make sure you screw this back on nice and tight. Since the system's under pressure, you don't want to leak there. And I would check through the whole engine bay and system for any cracks, leaks in the lines, reservoir, radiator. You can help test some of that by turning the vehicle on. And as that coolant circulates through the system, you might see some coolant puddle under the vehicle or around the engine bay. Wait until that apart from water condensation is the coolant should have a slight color to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And then you don't really want it on your skin, but say if you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick compared to what water would feel like. Like if you got, I would do that with like a glove on, you should still feel a slight slickness. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.